Hello friends, let's learn laboratory equipment name. Pipettes, pipettes. Test tube rack, test tube rack. Test tube, test tube. Flask, flask. Beaker, beaker. Bunsen burner, Bunsen burner. Alcohol burner, alcohol burner. Syringe, syringe. Graduated cylinder, graduated cylinder. Dropper, dropper. Tongs, tongs. Tuning fork, tuning fork. Stethoscope, stethoscope. Thermometer, thermometer. Friability tester, friability tester. Pulley, pulley. Tape, tape. Barometer, barometer. Stopwatch, stopwatch. Speedometer, speedometer. Protector, protector. Dry cell battery, dry cell battery. Magnet, magnet. Balance scale, balance scale. Magnifier, magnifier. Microscope, microscope. Globe, globe. Dissecting set, dissecting set. Hot plates, hot plates. Telescope, telescope. pH meters, pH meters. Spectrophotometers, spectrophotometers. Centrifuge, centrifuge. Incubators, incubators. Ovens, ovens. Autoclaves, autoclaves. Magnetic stirrers, magnetic stirrers. Shakers, shakers. Microtoms, microtoms. Cryostats, cryostats. Freezers, freezers. Fume hoods, fume hoods. Gas generators, gas generators. PCR machines, PCR machines. DNA sequencers, DNA sequencers.